27 sem že povedala danes. Da, 27 stopinj je lep dan in zdaj bom šla se z busom vorat za 1 minuto. Namesto da bi hodila za 2. What the best in here is ja, spet to.
Ma veramente non era quasi quasi le mai
Me. Ta ni v stilu več, treba zgraditi novo. Zgradili uno pa. Zdaj imajo 2 cerkve tle. Nice. Zdaj smo pa v Hemstedu.
Yeah, but anyway, where we go?
Oh my god, Daniela, you're looking for matte lipstick for so long.
How are we gonna go out if you're gonna be ready by like 12?
Yeah. Come on. Wait for it.
It's my life, wherever I wanna go. It's my life, wherever I wanna go. It's my life, whom I wanna love. Oh my god, I should send this to Mike, and that's it. Whatever I wanna talk, it's my life, wherever I wanna walk. It's my life.
Zdaj pa gremo nazaj proti London Bridgeu. In sicer z tem vlakcem do Cannon Streeta. In potem se tam zamenjamo na Northern Line do Camden Towna. Preštejmo jih skupaj. Dan streče. Oh my god. Explode. No. Steam Storm.
Ha?
Steam Storm. Torej za 4,99 funte smo nakupili cheese grater. To za palačinke. To za mashed potato. KitKat chunky z peanut butter duo. Potem tele neke bombone, nore bombone. In potem tale drink pomegranate and rose. To padlo. In potem še tole hibiscus and ginger, bisap. Ta je bisap, ne! Ta je pa šarbat. Noemi approves, man. Oh, pa kaj so? No! I like it. Thank you much. Thank you much. Greenwich wing. Greenwich wing. Ja, čekaj zdaj. Fuck. Viš kako si bil to? 4?
We made 15 pounds. We made 10 pounds.
Okay, yeah, we made 10 pounds.
Wicked.
Cash out.
Cash out.
Collect.
I need to insert this.
Other
thing.
side, other.
I like coaching horses, but I don't know if these guys like coaching horses.
I don't know what's
Do you want to go to a pub? Go.
Pub?
Pub.
I don't care, man. Let's go.
No, I asked for a lighter
lighter.
from this Asian guy, and he was like, he had this really thin lighter, and it was like super small, like really thin, and then the hole for the lighter, like for the fire to come out, was like a line. It was weird.
This is the Chinese fucking lighter. They know it.
I do, there's like the old
Can I
ones.
have the lighter?
Do you not want a shot? Not the chamomile tea?
No, Sabrina went to David's to have some good sexy time.
But they have drag queens. But drag queens are
Comment down below. Torej, prijatelji, danes pa gremo v Greenwich, končno nekaj drugega. Dobrodošli v Kužikovem kraljestvu. Tle so vsi kužiki dobrodošli. In sicer na London Bridge Stationu. Tako da, če imate kužika, vabljeni v London. Na vlaku za Slade Green. To pa je na vzhodu Anglije. Tako da vidim, kako izgleda Slade Green. Čekaj, ti greš gor na dešaret in potem še na uno, a ni vsi ne. Zdaj smo pa v Deptfordu, kot vidite. Zdaj smo pa kaj smo že rekli? Slade Green. Hello.
We can go to there's that pub that I told we can go to.
No nice. Put it local. Pa ne, tam je dobro. Kjer je zvač si najde? Oh, wow.
Give me 1 sec, I'm just going to go to this pub and get some blue roll. Fudge, man. Stay on. Sock, can you make sure no one's stepping?
Yeah. Do you need an explanation?
Okay, boy, we're about to get intimate.
Oh my god, he stinks so much. Why does he like open him?
Go, friend, have fun. Woo! Woo!
Good boy.
How does he know where to look?
He's posing for the camera. Ne moreš vprašati, kateri pes ti je ljubši. Isto ne moreš vprašati, če ti je ljubši mama ali tata. Odlična kamera za ta denar. Ej.
Can I sit on there?
Why? Boy.